It's Saturday here, and we're off to do some Christmassy things. It's the usual sort of like Saturday light up lorry parade in Peterhead, so really do like to take kids to that, so we're heading down to Peterhead for that. It is very cold today. It was like -5 when we got into the car this morning. We did our usual Saturday morning kids activities. Olivia had our golf lesson and James had swimming, and now we're just heading down. Well, still only -1, so very cold. Olivia there, she's tired. Jamesy is just about sleeping. So yeah, looking forward to it. We've got the kids' suits. Let's see how it goes. Good evening. I am just gonna wait to bed. We've had a super day. Saw the reindeers, had a little wander around the sort of like town, and then we saw the parade, which was amazing. Like, it's just getting bigger and bigger every year. Really, really good. And then we saw the fireworks, which were really, really good again. It was a really great display. It went on for ages. And then we went up to my brother and sister-in-law's, we saw the kids, and we had a Chinese there, so that was really fine. Nice to get caught up with them, with my mum as well. And then we headed up the road. We were kind of debating whether we would stay or not, but Craig was like, let's just get up the road. And it's quite good as well, because it means we can get up tomorrow and just have a nice chill day, which is quite nice, because Saturdays are pretty hectic just now. You don't feel like you get much of a long lie between all their activities, so it will be quite nice just to not have to worry about getting up and driving home tomorrow. It's just, we're home, we can chill, not even have to worry about getting on pyjamas. So that's the plan. Got whenever we're in, sat down for a bit, just kind of half tidied up the stuff, and now I'm just gonna go to bed now, so I will catch us tomorrow.
He's in my socks! He's in my socks!
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas.
It's now afternoon. We've had a kind of lazy-ish kind of morning, which was really, really nice. It's not snow, it's just frost. It's more frost. It was really nice. My workout, we got tidied up upstairs and had dinner, and then it's like the Banff light switch on today, so we'll go and have a little look and see what's happening, and then I don't think we'll be doing very much the rest of the day. Just chilling out. It's been quite nice just not to do anything crazy. Kids are all excited. What did the elf do today?
He had a sleepover.
He's having a
and
sleepover.
my socks.
Yeah, he's using your socks as sleeping bags.
Yeah.
So you need to go and find your name. See if you can find your name. I don't know. So Jamesy's one. Where's your one? You see if you can find it, Olivia. Oh, there you go.
You get it?
Yeah, come on then. Olivia? I'm just organising the tea. After we looked at that little sort of like light on, there wasn't too much there. We got some donuts, had a little walk, and then came home, and then I nipped up to go into Lidl's to go and get a food shop. So it was quite nice just to get a bit of chill time from the kids. So it was like an hour, got some bits and bobs, some Christmas presents, and now we're just having like toasties and chips tonight with some sweet corn, fine and easy tea. And then Craig had mentioned about maybe going a walk and having a look at some of the lights, so we'll do that after supper, and then it'll be bed and getting organised for school tomorrow. So yeah, that's everything for the moment.
Mum.
Kids are in bed. and me and Craig are just going as well. We've just been tidying up the kitchen, make sure everywhere's tidy for another start of the week. I was sorting out my Christmas tree lights because I changed them because I couldn't find the ones that I was looking for, and I found them, and so I was like, I'm just going to change them over. So it's looking really good. I'm really chuffed with it. I don't know if you've noticed, but we've got this wall. I've got like a feature wall. I really absolutely love it. I really love it. So I'm now just trying to find like what's the word? Trying to find like pillows and blankets, but I haven't found everything to finish it off. We've got our chair as well, so I really like that. And we're getting lights like here, hold on, there, and there to go on as well, each side of the window. So yeah, it's all coming together in my living room. Just need a mirror for here. Know exactly what I'm looking for, just haven't seen it yet. Or have seen it, but not prepared to pay the cost that I want. So, yeah, so I'm going to finish things off here because I'm pretty tired. It's been a busy weekend. I don't know what it is about December, but the weekends are just a bit manic. There's so much stuff going on. But yeah, all good. Hope you've liked this little festive vlog. Give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, please hit the subscribe button. There's been quite a few joined, I think, after the Disney vlog, so would love you to keep on. As I say, I do lots and lots of vlogs, and over Christmas there's loads of stuff. I don't have a regular time. I just try and post at least one a week. I'm a full-time working mum of 2, so it depends when I can get things filmed and edited, so it's a bit manic just now. But hope you like this vlog. Give it a thumbs up if you are, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.